this is Ieasha of Barbie Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today it's Saturday, August 15th, 2020, and yesterday, August the 14th, 2020 was my twins' birthday. They turned 8 years old, and if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me over there at Barbie Designs by Ieasha on Instagram, because I put some information over there about their birthdays. All right, so today's video is the birthday theme that I did for them, and you will hear my twins in the background, so I'm sorry. But last year I did a Candyland tablescape for them, and I'm going to put that right here in the card section as well as in the description box below. So make sure you go and check out that video, okay? Well, this year they wanted a Barbie themed birthday. So something really great that I knew they would like in order to take their birthday pictures in is this beautiful Barbie photo box, all right? And my husband made this for me. We made this Barbie box for them and myself, because I got in here and took some pictures also. And it was just family. It was me and my household, as well as one of my daughter's friends and her mom and dad came by. So it was just a kind of like a quarantine birthday celebration that we had for my twins. It wasn't a big thing like we had last year. Last year with the Candyland, we had all the family down, and we really had a lot of fun. And this time we had a lot of fun too. So I just wanted to bring to you this video. Alright, so make sure you like, make sure you comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, where you will see event design, balloon design, and you will also see tablescapes. Alright, so I hope that you all have an amazing day, and I will see you all in my next video. Well, today I am here with another balloon garland, and today is my twins' birthday. They turned 8 years old, so I'm going to be giving them, it's not a party, but kind of, it's just a get together with just me and my family. I'm going to bring to you a balloon garland, and they wanted a Barbie theme party. All right, so I went looking for Barbie theme colors, and the colors they love is, again, purple and pink. So I decided to add some of their colors in. It just so happens some of Barbie colors are purple and pink also. So I went ahead and ordered this balloon garland, and I'm going to be linking it in the description box below, so make sure you go and check it out. All right, and it's an affiliate link, but this is it right here, and it's from Shimmer and Confetti. I love Shimmer and Confetti balloons. They are really, really good balloons. All right, so here's some of the Shimmer and Confetti balloons. These are the ones that I purchased, and they're the turquoise, kind of like the bluish color. And here's the pink, and as you see, they are some really great balloons. I highly recommend these balloons. I love them. I worked with them before, and they are really, really good balloons. This is the smaller ones. All right, and as you see, this is color balloon than this one, if you can see it on camera. But this one here is more of a greenish, maybe like a light greenish color, and this is more of a dark turquoise kind of color. All right, so it's a different. The rest of the balloons. All right, and it came with the kit. It came with this right here. It came with some of the fishing line. All right, and it came with just some other little things here. It came with one of those balloon strips, which I've never used before. I tried to use one time before, but it just didn't fit well to me, so I always use the fishing line, but I may try to use this one this time. And it also comes with these glue dots. All right, I have not opened this pack yet, but all right, so this is everything it comes with, and also come with a instruction sheet on how to use everything. All right, so as usual, I have my balloon pump, my electric balloon pump. I also have my hand hair balloon pump that came from, I think this is Qualitex, I'm not sure, but it came from Amazon. And I also have my balloons. All right, so let's get started. All right, and remember, I'm going to show you again how to blow up balloons. So you just take the end of your balloon, which is this part here. Just place it directly over your nozzle here on your electric balloon pump. All right, just press it to blow it up. Remember to press it down really well to make it a rounder shape. All right. All right, then you just tie it. I take mine and just tie it with my fingers, just like so. All right, and just pull it, just like that. All right, then again, as I showed you in my other video, I don't know where it is now, but it's something called a thing that you can put on your fingers to tie a balloon tie, which I normally don't use that. Alright, so now I've showed you how to blow up the bigger balloons. I'm going to show you again how to blow the smaller balloons. These are the smaller ones. I think it's more of a 5-inch. These are like the 5-inch balloons. Alright, with the 5-inch you use your handheld pump, because you really don't want to use your electric pump because it may burst your balloon, but you can use your handheld. And all you do is just take the nozzle, just put it in the balloon just like this. Alright, and just use your hand and just pump it. Alright, and remember I told you that if it's like this, if it has a bottom like this, there's too much air in it, so you need to let some air out. Okay, till it gets to more of a rounder shape, just like this. Press it down. All right, and there you are. Tie it. All right, and that's what you have. So I will show you when I finish with everything. I will show you the balloons. All right, so here's the balloons that I blew up for my twins' birthday. As you see right here, I just added to my pipe and drape stand. There's the banner that I made. There's the other balloons on the other side. And as you see, the colors that I did is a Barbie theme, so I did the purple and pink. All right, here's the A that I made. And as you see, this is the table. I haven't put the plates or anything out yet. And here's the Barbie photo box that I did, that we took photos in, and it turned out great. It was a really beautiful birthday dinner that we had. Like I said, it was very small. It was just me and my household and just 3 other friends. And all we did, we had pizza and we had ice cream and cake. So yeah, everything turned out really, really well. And here's the birthday cake that I had ordered for my twins. And it was delicious. As you see, I have the 2 8s there. It's one pink and one purple. They're supposed to be purple. And of course, we had to have our hand sanitizer and mask for this party.
Can I get a picture taken in the party? I might tear that thing up.
All right, so here's everything again. It turned out very, very well.
Thank you.